You're welcome back to this particular video. In this video, we want to talk about favicons and lists inside of HTML, right? So in our usual fashion, the first thing I'm going to do is to click on new file here, and I'm going to call this one list.html, and I'm going to save it and just close this. And our usual fashion again, I'm going to say doc, I drop it here, and I'm going to say favicon. So favicons and lists. So let's start with favicons first. So what exactly are favicons? Let's try and load this stuff out. So since we've saved it, we should have it here. It is list. So open it on my browser as usual. So what exactly are favicons? So favicons are those icons you see that is appearing here. For example, now if I go on Gmail or on Google to basically search for stuff, you're going to see that you'll be seeing this particular Chrome logo over there, right? That simply means it's what a favicon. Those icons, logos that you see on top of your browser tab, right? So that's what we call favicons. So let's see how we can add them. So we can add them using an empty element tag that is called link tag. This kind of tag actually, it has two major attributes. The first attribute is the rel attribute, in which case the value of that rel attribute is usually icon like this, right? And the value of the href attribute is the file location of the image that you want to be inside this particular area, right? So for me now, I have actually brought in Nerdy Eyes logo and put it inside our previously created image folder here. So you may just add in your own logo or any logo of your choice or any image of your choice, and let's link that up. So I'll come over here, I'm going to say / and I'm going to say images, and I'm going to say what logo. So this is the logo basically. I'm going to save this, and when I go back to my browser now and refresh, you will see that an amazing stuff just happened right here. And one of the amazing things that happened right here is the fact that you could see Nerdy Eye logo is now appearing on the browser tab, and that's because that is the image I just chose as my favicon. Now the next thing I want us to talk about is HTML list. So when it comes to listing HTML, we have two types of lists. We have the ordered list and we have the unordered list. So I will start by creating the ordered list. So let me just say H3 here and call this one ordered list. I'll call this one ordered list. So how do we create ordered list? We make use of two major tags. The first tag is the ordered list tag, which is noted with OL, and the second one is the LI, which we call the list item tag. That's going to give us what should be inside of our list. Now I'm just going to list three courses. I'm going to list HT. Let's list something like HT. Let's list something like HTML5, and let's list stuff like CSS3. And let's list stuff like JavaScript. So I'm going to say, let me start with capital letter J there. Capital letter C2, JavaScript. Alright, let's list this. So I will definitely go back and try to refresh right now. So this one I'm going to have on ordered list. So ordered list, our list comes in 1, 2, 3. So let's try on ordered list. So instead of me to start to type afresh, why not me just highlight all of this, basically Ctrl C and paste it back, Ctrl V, and instead of ordered list I will call this one unordered list, and instead of OL is UL and UL, and even that thing remains the same LI actually. So I'm going to save it, and I'll go back to my browser and I'll refresh this. I'm going to have what? Ordered list and unordered list. So unordered list is the bulleted list that you see. Ordered list is the 1, 2, 3 list that is according to order, right? So that's how you create lists, and that's how you create favicon instead of HTML. Thank you guys for watching this particular video. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have questions, drop a question in the comment section. I will go through them as well. And I'm seeing you guys in the next video.